Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Yardstick Farmhouse Rustic ladder. I only used 4 yardsticks to make this, which cost a total of $4, and I am so pleased with the way it came out. It is super simple to make, it requires minimal cutting, and I just think it turned out adorable. If you want to know how to make one, stick around and I'll show you how. The items you're going to need will be 4 yardsticks. I got these at Home Depot for 97 cents a piece, so that comes up to about $4 in boards. I'm sure you could do it cheaper, but this is what I'm going to use because of the simplicity of it. You'll also need your glue gun and some glue sticks and some paint. I chose the Waverly Chalk Paint and Cashew. It's just one of my favorite colors to use right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut 2 of our yardsticks into 12-inch strips. This will give us a total of 6 strips, 3 per yardstick. Once I've cut all my strips, I'm going to bring them into paint. I'm giving my paint a little shake, and what I'm going to do now is just paint one side of the strips and then my 2 yardsticks. I'm going to make sure I get all my paint. I don't want to lose any, so waste not, want not. But I'm just going to try to get the edges and just give them a good coating, and then I will set them aside to dry. Once the one side is dry, I'm going to simply place my yardsticks together, and I am going to glue my 12-inch strips onto the yardsticks. I'll be gluing these on at every 6 inches on my yardsticks, and I'm going to leave a 2-inch overlap on each side of my yardstick. And this gave me a total of 5 rungs on my little ladder. And I also, I didn't put all of them straight. I kind of wanted to give it an old crookedy look. So a couple of the rungs I just slanted slightly to give it an older, more rustic feel. And you'll see that once I stand it up and show it to you. But I thought it turned out overall really cute. When you paint, you will still see the number indentions on the yardsticks or the ladder, but it's still hardly noticeable unless you're really looking for it, and it really overall turned out real nice. Like I said, you could do this with some other board, but I just like the fact that I could just cut this so easily and be done so quick with it, and therefore I used yardsticks. But it is really simple, and here you see where I was talking about having the rungs just a little slightly crooked, so it just gives it a little rustic feel. Now I'm simply going to just finish painting the little ladder. I'm going to make sure that I cover all the edges and the sides and the remaining side that I hadn't painted yet, and I'm just going to give it a good coat. This stuff really covers well, and it doesn't take a lot of separate coats. You can generally get it in one coat and or one painting, and I just think it turned out really nice. And here it is with the finished coat, and I think it just looks awesome. It turned out really well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I thank you so much for your support and all your sweet kind comments. You're all so very sweet, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.